The Department of Soil and Crop Sciences is a place where students can innovate and be a part of creating a safe future food supply. We show up early, we stay late, we're not afraid of field work.
Whenever I'm out in the field and I see farmers or producers, I tell them that I'm from the Soil and Crop Science Department, and really seeing their reactions to that is really what makes me proud.
So as the name Soil and Crop implies, what we focus on is providing the food and the nutrition, and in the case of things like cotton, the fiber for the world. At the same time, we're protecting really valuable natural resources like soil. And so we're interested in the production side of it, but also in the natural resource conservation and protecting soil and water resources.
So within our major, you can choose to be either turfgrass science or plant and environmental soil science. And within plant and environmental soil science, you can either choose to be a crops emphasis or a soil and water emphasis.
Some opportunities for students for hand-on experience include undergraduate research, and lots of programs hire students, and especially in the summer, to do field work and help with the planting and cultivation and ultimately the harvesting of the crops. Also in terms of the lab experience, and there's a chance to either help graduate students with their projects or even do their own undergraduate research projects that they potentially could present at a conference somewhere.
I'm really proud to be a part of a small group that's very passionate about producing food and farming. There's not a lot of us, less than 2% of people are farmers. So I'm really proud to be a part of a group that's gonna grow food for the world. Yeah, make the world a better place.